is One India News, and today is US's National Brownie Day. So I come from Kolkata and I have an extremely sweet tooth. So I just pitched the idea, I have to go and taste some brownies today. So come with me and we're gonna go to Theo's today and we're going to taste some different kinds of brownies, and we're gonna explore how the brownies were made, how the concept of brownies came into being in America. So yeah, come and join me. So like I said, the 8th of December is celebrated as National Brownie Day in the US. We are in India, but we are going to still celebrate this day because it's a brownie day and I have an intense sweet tooth and I need to satiate my hunger. So I'm here outside Theo's. So come with me, we're going to have a lot of brownies. We're going to taste every kind of brownie available in that store and, just maybe get a stomachache later. So we've reached Theo's today and on National Brownie Day. So let's see what are the varieties of brownies that's available here. So there's Choco Walnut Brownie, Triple Chocolate Brownie, Fudge Brownie, 5-Star Brownie, Cream Cheese Brownie, Oreo Brownie, Hazelnut Nutella Brownie. Let's place the order. Excuse me? Hi. So can I have each kind of brownie, one in each kind, sub brownies? So we'll have one in each kind, okay?
Hi. So this is a 5-star brownie. This is more gooey, chocolatey, fudgy kind of a brownie. That's 5-star brownie. This is the Oreo. So that has Oreo biscuits and completely Oreo brownie. This is the specialty that we have. That's a cream cheese brownie. It's a red velvet flavor, cream cheese. So that's one. Fudge brownie. That's the standard plain fudge brownie. So this is again chocolate, and this is triple chocolate that we have here. Triple chocolate has dark chocolate, white chocolate and milk chocolate. All three chocolate composition.
Right.
This
looks the best.
Yeah, this is the showstopper, you can say. So that's a chocolate walnut brownie with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and a chocolate sauce.
Crazy, I can't wait to start.
Thank you.
All right, thank
Enjoy
you.
it.
And finally I've got my weapons. Okay, so let's get started. This one looks very appealing, but I am going to go in an orderly fashion. Okay? So first we're going to try the hazelnut Nutella brownie. Let's take a bite. So this is very fudgy. There are nuts embedded in this brownie, so it's quite good. Very good. Very fudgy texture and very chocolatey. Next comes the fudge brownie. There are no nuts in it. This seems like a plain, normal, atypical brownie that's mostly available in all stores. Very similar to this, but this has the nutty texture to it. This one doesn't. But yeah, if I have to choose already, I'll choose this hazelnut Nutella brownie. But this too is very good. This has a little bit of dark chocolate, I think, in it. Very good. And also a little bit of white chocolate, if you can see, embedded in it. Pretty good. Now next comes, as the chef over there mentioned, the cream cheese brownie. It has red velvet in it. And they said that it's the speciality of Theo's. So let's have it. Okay, so the texture in this is very plain. It's a soft texture. There's no fudgy texture in this. It's very soft and there's cheese and red velvet in it. So I don't think they have put chocolate in this one. But yeah, nonetheless, I personally am a big fan of red velvet. So this works for me. Works very well for me. Yes. Amazing. Okay, the next one is Oreo brownie. So I have a, what do you call that? An opinion which is not really appreciated by a lot of many people. I personally do not like Oreo when it comes in its single form. I mean, it's okay, but it's not that great. But I do like Oreo fudges. I like Oreo ice creams. Let's see if I like the Oreo brownie or not. Let me see if my unpopular opinion gets changed. Take a big bite then. Yes, this is very good. Yes, Oreo has not disappointed me now. Very, very good. Oh, damn, look at the chocolate. It's like a molten chocolate vibe with Oreo embedded in it. It's amazing. Very good. Very, very good. I'm going to save this for the last. I'm going to try this now. Let's be a little decent here. Thank you. They're like, be a little decent and use tissue paper. Like, okay. Okay, so I'm trying the 5-star brownie, which looks very similar to the fudge brownie, to be honest. Let's see if it's different or not. It is different. It is different. Oh, it's very good. It is surprisingly very good. See, because this one has some white chocolate vibe in it. Right. Let me try again. It is more fudgy. This is a little different in the sense that this one has less molten chocolate in it, this one has more molten chocolate and no white chocolate in this one. But this is very good, yeah. Softer texture, very good. Now let's come to this. The ice cream is melting literally. It's beckoning me. Okay. The choco walnut brownie, the star. So I've taken a little bit of walnut, taken a bit of brownie and a lot of ice cream. Oh, I'll be a diabetic patient very soon, I can tell. Oh my god. You know what? I'm going to take all of these for my folks at the office because obviously I'll not be able to finish this by myself, but I don't think I'll be taking this. This I'll finish, yeah. So, as you can see, there are so many different kind of brownies that are available here. So let's just get back to how a brownie was first, or the concept of brownie first came into being. Now there are a few legends. One of them dates back to 1893. So what happened was, there was this hotel, the the Palmer House Hotel. Now the Palmer House Hotel's owner, his wife, her name was Bertha Palmer, she wanted to throw a party. The party was the World's Columbian Exposition. So she was a Chicago socialite and she threw a party. For the ladies, she wanted, a kind of dessert to be made. And she wanted the dessert not as big as a cake or not as small cookies. She wanted something optimum to be fitted into lunch boxes. So she went to the chef and she asked for something like, let's make something similar to a cake, but not really a cake. So that's when the first brownie was made, according to legends. And then in the early 20th century, the cookbooks and the recipe books started incorporating the words brownie in it. And then finally, in the modern day, brownies came into being. America, as far as we know from India, loves this piece of dessert. They love to have brownies as per well, pop culture and also a lot of sitcoms that I've watched in recent years. I can tell that brownie is a big form of dessert in America, and that has also been incorporated in this world as well, in this country as well. And for a sweet tooth, for a person who has a sweet tooth like me, this is heaven, diabetic heaven. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna take this to my office as well. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and also I hope this gave you enough craving to break your diet, whoever of you are on diet, to break your diets and go back to your home and at least get one spoon of brownie. Thank you for watching.